Hey everyone, I'm about to head to Dallas for a couple days. Today's Wednesday. I'll be coming back on Friday, and I just thought I would take you along. I'm probably going to go to NorthPark Mall, I'm thinking, and then I'm probably going to go to like a home goods type of store just to look for some stuff for the house, do a few things like that. So I just thought I would take you along. So I will see you in a bit. I'm at Starbucks, as you can see right there. So I'm about to get me something to drink and a wrap thing. I think I mentioned it in my last vlog, I think. So I'll show it to you in just a second as soon as I get it. I just sat in that line for, it's been at least 20 minutes. This is the feta wrap I was telling you about. Let me turn the camera around and show you. I guess you really can't see it, but it is an egg white and there's spinach, feta, and then I think like tomato, some type of tomato, like a fire roasted tomato or something. And then I got regular salted caramel cold brew. Don't mind the mess here. And then I saw somebody say something about the popcorn was really good here, so I thought I would give it a shot. But I'm gonna go ahead and eat my feta wrap and get back on the road, so I'll see you in a bit. I'm finally at the hotel. I was going to kind of take you around there in Home Goods and TJ Maxx, but it was like so busy in there, and I felt like I was like bobbing and weaving or whatever. I mean, it was just craziness. So I couldn't really get out my phone and record anything. I did stop at Firehouse subs, so I got my dinner and I just got a sub and some chips. I got to the hotel, so I'm here now. As you can see, this definitely isn't the nicest room I've ever stayed in. It's been a while since I've stayed here at this particular hotel. Normally when I come to Dallas, I stay at the Omni in Las Colinas, which is like the Irving area. This one is called Omni Park West, so Omni Dallas Park West, and it's basically right on one of the major highways, which is 635. You'll know that if you're familiar with Dallas. And I am on the top floor, which is, I mean, I guess that's supposed to be nice, but I don't really care about that. There's the door, as you can see. Here is the bathroom. It's a really small bathroom. I went ahead and got ice because I brought myself some Diet Dr. Pepper, so I put it in there because it was freaking hot in the car. There's the tub, not the nicest. I mean, that's not a bug. It looks like a bug, but it's not. It's just the ceramics coming up, I guess. Here's the closet. I guess I should make sure there are no crazy people in here. There is that, which I don't know, maybe that was meant to be like a refrigerator or something, but the ice bucket was right there. It is an adjoining room, as you can see. And there we go. That is the room. And I'll show you outside. I think that's 635. It might not be. If I'm not mistaken, that you see there, that is right there. I believe that's Las Colinas, which is where I normally stay over there. So there is the room. So I think I'm just gonna sit here, wait for my drink to get cold, eat my dinner, take off my hair. I don't know, I might walk down to the pool and just see like where it's at and how sunny it is out there, like if there's any shade or whatever, because I definitely don't want to go if there's no shade. No bueno for me. So yeah, I'm gonna go see about that probably later on. Maybe. That's a maybe. It depends if I get undressed and in my PJs or whatever, but I might just watch some TV, check my email and that sort of deal. But I think tomorrow I'm gonna go to the mall. So I'll go to NorthPark Mall, and NorthPark is one of the, yeah, I'd say like the nicest mall in Dallas, and it has all of the luxury stores, Louis Vuitton, Gucci, I mean all of those stores. Neiman Marcus is there, Nordstrom, and then you have Macy's and Dillard's. So it's a really big mall. There's a movie theater in it. I'm gonna go there tomorrow, probably get up at a decent time, so maybe I can get there when they open at 10 before, you know, before traffic, and so I can stay there for a while and miss the rush hour, which starts at like 3:30, 2:30 or 3:30, but we'll see how that goes. And then I think I'm gonna just get comfy, watch some TV, and hang out and relax. So next time something happens, if I go to the pool or whatever, I will check in. But for now, I will see you later. So I thought this was really nice. The loyalty ambassador here came and brought a little note thanking me for staying, and then some ice in there, some Dr. Peppers, Diet Dr. Peppers, and some chocolates, it looks like. Let me see what's in here. Cool, it's actually little cookies, and I'm not sure what the chocolate is. Let's see what it says on the back. Shortbread cookies. Oh, chocolate raisins, yuck. I'll save those for my mom. She loves chocolate covered raisins. And then chocolate chip cookies. So I thought that was really nice of them to do. I appreciate that. Good morning. I am up and about to head out to, I'm gonna go get me something to eat at a new place that I feel like I've heard of it, Mamas and Daughters, I think is what it's called. So I'm gonna go there and maybe just have some brunch. And I mean, it's already 11:20 or so, so either that or lunch, but hopefully I can have some brunch, some breakfast food, and then I'm gonna go ahead and head to the mall and see what I can get into there. I am wearing the same shirt from yesterday because it's comfortable. It's a nice day outside. Very few clouds, so I don't think it's gonna rain or anything. However, that could change really quickly because we live in Texas, but I'll see you in a few. Just finished lunch. I was hoping to get breakfast. It actually said on the menu online that they serve breakfast all day, 7 days a week, but apparently they don't, at least at this location. So I had lunch. It's kind of funny because, well, first of all, it was good. The beef tips were really good. The corn was good. It was just sweet corn. And then the lima beans, like the biggest lima beans I've ever seen in my entire life, but they were really good. And then the cornbread was good too. It was kind of funny though, the broccoli, it was broccoli with cheese, but it just had queso on top. It was just like queso from a jar. So I thought that was kind of funny, but it was pretty good. It was definitely your typical diner. If you're in the Dallas area, I think they have several locations, but it's Mama's Daughters Diner, I think is what it's called. I can't see the sign from where I'm at, but Mama's Daughters. I am going to go ahead and head on to NorthPark Mall, so I will check in with you in a few. All right, I'm finally out of the mall. I am so tired. Oh my gosh. It was like so humid in there. I mean, you can kind of tell I'm like glowing. Whew. Got a salad at Snappy Salads, and I got a dessert. I got a tiramisu, which is probably my favorite dessert. I got that from Maggiano's, and I picked up a little something from Tiffany, and I got a couple little things at Sephora. I'm gonna head back to the hotel. I don't know what time it is. It's 5 o'clock, right at 5 o'clock. So there'll probably be a lot of traffic, but gonna get back there, get my PJs on, and sit. Hey friends, I have checked out of the hotel. It is a no makeup day. I'm just headed home. Right now, I am at Gloria's. I think they're only here in Texas. I know there are several here in Dallas area. There are a few in Austin. I'm not sure where else Gloria's is, but it's like a Tex-Mex, and then they sell Salvadoran food. Also, my husband is Salvadoran, so when I come to Dallas, I like to get us some Salvadoran favorites, one being pupusas. If you've never had a pupusa, definitely try it. If you ever see it on a menu, you will thank me later. So good. So I got that. I got some horchata, love horchata. So I'll have that for the drive home because I didn't have any breakfast. And so I'm just gonna head home, try not to rush. It's gonna take me, I think, a good while. Now that we moved cities, it's about 35, 40 minutes longer for me on my drive. It used to take about an hour and a half or so. So it takes a little over 2 hours. I'm not the most patient driver, but I'm gonna try to be patient and just take my time and relax, listen to my book or a podcast, and get home safely. I think I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog here since I'm not gonna be doing anything, but I hope you're having a good day. Thank you so much for watching, and I will talk to you soon. Bye.